a MCQ from previous year paper of Assistant Master Recruitment of PSC, and the problem is the system of equation 2x minus z this is equal to 1, 2x plus 4ky minus z this is equal to 1, x minus 8y minus 3z this is equal to minus 2 has unique solution if the value of k are given in 4 options. Okay, we have to choose the correct option. Here we use the result from Cramer's rule, and the Cramer's rule state that the system of linear equation ax this is equal to b, this is in matrix form, it has unique solution if the coefficient determinant, which is generally written as delta this is equal to determinant a not equal to 0. In this case the system has unique solution if delta and all of the determinant delta x, delta y, delta z. How to find delta x? Delta x is find the first column is replaced by the coefficient of the constant term, that is 1, 1, minus 2 in determinant a. We get delta x, and similarly delta y, delta z we get. Okay, if all are 0, then the solution infinite number. And the system has no solution if delta is 0 but any one of delta x or delta y or delta z is not equal to 0. Okay, this is not equal to 0, then the system has no solution. Here we have to use the first condition, this is determinant a not equal to 0. We first write determinant a, that is the coefficient determinant is given by determinant 2, 0, minus 1, the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. Here y is not present, so we write here 0. And the second row is 2, 4k and minus 1, and the third is 1, minus 8 and minus 3. Now by operating like this, r2 1 minus 1, that is this operation can be written as r2 dash this is equal to r2 minus r1. Okay, so we get 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 4k, 0, this is 1, minus 8, minus 3. Now we expand this determinant, we get 2 into this is 4k, 0, minus 8, minus 3, this is minus, this is again plus, so this is minus 1 into determinant 0, 4k, 1, minus 8, and from the first determinant we get this is 2 into minus 12k minus 1 into minus 4k, so we get minus 24k plus 4k, this is minus 20k. Now for the unique solution it must be not equal to 0, so minus 20k not equal to 0, and this case k not equal to 0. So our correct option is option number B. This is problem number 12 from this previous year paper. Okay, thank you for watching, and keep watching Math A to Z.